pasta, friends. Oh, get dizzy.
You're getting dizzy?
Not really, but... Okay, pasta.
Hey, cat.
So, illness. Fucking sucks. COVID. Not fun. We made it through. Almost. We're on the tail end. Sometimes when you're sick, you just want simple meals. There's no... Words are hard. Like, they're simple, but there's a couple of things you can do to take them over the top. No, I don't have a mic. Headset. Antlion is not here yet. I ordered it today. I just found them out. Anyways, there's a couple comfort classics that are super easy to elevate. And one of them is butter noodles. Simple, easy, hard to perfect. But I'm going to show you how to do that today. I've got a pot of salted water boiling behind me. Not going to use the stove cam today, because there's really no need. We're boiling pasta. We're going to take our spaghetti noodles into the salted water for 13 minutes. And that's pretty much all the cooking we're going to really have to do today. So, bear with me. I can't even open the plastic. I'm so weak.
What's wrong with you? Why are you being so dramatic?
I'm not. I couldn't open it from the other end. Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
Stop being sick. Alright, pasta in water.
What kind of crust do you use?
I'm just gonna dip the motherfuckers in butter.
Dope.
I'm not doing anything crazy.
That's fine. I was just wondering.
Damn.
Why are you looking at me?
You cook a woman a really nice meal once, and then for the rest of her life, she's like, "I'll make it perfect every time."
That's not at all what I said. Hi, Teresa.
Hi, Teresa. It's good to see you, too. We're not completely out of the woods, but we're feeling better.
Yes.
Alright, so, got a couple things here. I'm just going to chop up some herbs. Stir our noodles. Just make sure, you just want to stir them to make sure they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. Right, Woody?
I'm sorry, what?
I may have... Oh, yeah. I'm feeling like leaps and bounds better than what I was. That fever was no joke.
Yeah.
Oh, I said make sure to stir your pasta after you add it to the pot. Otherwise, it might burn to the bottom.
Have you done that before?
No, Woody's done that before.
I feel like we've had this conversation. I feel like you've called him out on that before.
I have called him out on that before, I'm pretty sure. Nah. He's gonna blame the pot. How else do you get it toasty?
You like a little crispy pasta?
So I'm just gonna get some parsley here. It just adds a nice little brightness. It's definitely worth adding. We're just gonna add this right at the end. Right? So while our pasta is going, just getting a little bit of this. Bust it up a touch here. Now the other day, Katie said that she was gonna cook on stream, but she didn't.
I think I was delirious with COVID when I said that.
She must have been delirious. You know, that COVID brain.
It's legit.
Apparently.
That brain fog.
Alright, so we're just gonna rough chop some parsley.
I should have cooked. I would have made everything with thicket.
My God, Katie kept like feeding me things with thicket in it today.
I was practicing.
Yeah, but she was doing things I hate. Like, I hate artificial sweeteners, can't stand them.
I made something you love,
And
you still didn't want to eat it.
she makes fucking Crystal Light with thicket. He was like, no, just close your eyes, just taste it. So I thought I was going to get something, like, tasty that she was super proud of. No, she was just being an asshole.
You didn't see the maniacal smile on my face?
I was fucking gaming.
You're welcome. Now you just know that I can take care of you when...
Oh, yeah, I can't wait for all the thicket.
You wanted me to cook tonight.
I did.
I don't know what else you want from me.
It's a test. Where's the Parmesan at? Oh, right there. Alright, so a couple simple things. Parmesan, you can fresh grate your own, but we're sick. Why are we going to fresh grate our own when we can just buy it? Yes, artificial sweeteners are the worst. I don't know how your wife drinks that shit. And we've got good butter. Butter. When you're doing things that are just like butter and pasta, buy good butter. It really does make the difference. Like, everybody's been calling it bougie butter, but nobody complains when they're like, oh my God, why is this so good? And I'm like, good butter.
I have never complained, but I am always going to call you bougie when you're bougie. Just comes with the territory.
I feel so, like, I don't know if it's because I haven't eaten much today, or if I'm just weak. Probably just weak.
Probably sweet.